Hello DSP. To enter a new coaching for a driver, navigate to the left-hand side navigation bar, select Road Safety, then click on Coaching and Counseling Reports. Now, click on the three dots button and click on Add Coaching and Counseling Report. A new form will open, allowing you to select your employee from the drop-down menu. All the related driver information will populate in the form automatically. You can choose the coaching reason from the drop-down menu, and also select the nature and type of counseling from the respective menus. The current date is automatically populated in the date sections, but you also have the option to change them if needed. All the driver-related information fields are automatically populated from the data available in iDSP, therefore you cannot change them. However, you can manually input the respective manager's name. You can also type any details of the infraction in the Details of Write-Up and Counseling section. You can also type the agreed plan of improvement for the driver. In Consequences of Further Infractions section, you can mention any potential consequences for the driver resulting from not improving or from any future infractions. In the Acknowledgement section, you can input the manager's name, witness name, and HR person's name, and have them digitally sign this report on your computer. Each signature section includes a date selection option to capture the exact date of each person's acknowledgement. In the driver's signature section, the driver must input the last 4 digits of his SSN. Additionally, under the driver signature section, you have the option to mark the report if the driver refuses to sign. If needed, you also have the option to clear the signature and re-sign the report. Don't forget to click the Save button located at the bottom left of the form before closing the report. Once saved, this report will appear on the Coaching and Counseling Reports screen. Thank you for using iDSP service. Good day DSP.